Hi guys, welcome to Netfix, and here I am going to show you how to change a battery in a key fob. This particular key fob is a Seat Ibiza, but most key fobs across the VAG range are pretty much similar. Okay, I've purposely left this ring on, purposely to pull it apart, so it does come in half. Park off for now. It's this cover here where you want to get underneath. There you go, and as you can see, there's the battery. Just scoop that out, and this particular battery is a CR2032. Get these at any petrol stations, eBay, hardware stores. I went out and got one. It was £1. Backside in and in reverse order. Listen for the click. Got a rubber seal on there to keep it watertight. And then a click again, and there you go, just under a minute, the key fob's now replaced.